I am standing 800 meters above the desert floor of Dubai. This sand wants to swallow every foundation built on it. 829 meters tall, 163 floors, more than twice the Empire State Building. $1.5 billion to build one tower in the desert. Concrete failed at 600 meters. 3 cranes were trapped above 700. Every dollar, every floor, from empty sand to finished spire.
January 2004, excavators break ground on empty desert in downtown Dubai. Boreholes reveal loose sand over cemented rock 50 meters below. 194 piles, each 1.5 meters wide, must reach rock 50 meters down. February 2004, Bauer rigs begin drilling through 50 meters of desert.
Right below me, 194 piles reach 50 meters into this sand.
Each pile can carry 3,000 tons, tested to 6,000 before approval. Groundwater here is more corrosive than seawater, attacking concrete from below. 45,000 cubic meters of concrete will bury this sand forever. $150 million just to stop the sand from swallowing this tower.
12,500 cubic meters of concrete poured in 4 rounds, each over 24 hours.
Wind wants to snap this tower. The Y shape confuses its attack.
Doka self-climbing formwork locks around the core and lifts itself upward. One new floor poured every 3 days at peak construction speed. Columns match wall thickness exactly, so concrete shrinks at the same rate.
3 wings locked together like arms, each one bracing the other 2.
27 setbacks spiral upward, each one breaking the wind's rhythm.
By mid-2006, the tower passes 60 floors, and the first setback begins. How far can it go? 5 outrigger levels tie every column to the core, sharing wind loads.
350 million spent, and the tower is only a quarter of its final height. The money is running fast, and the hardest engineering is still ahead.
12,000 workers on this site every day, 22 million man-hours in total.
330,000 cubic meters of concrete and 39,000 tons of steel rebar.
Desert heat wants to cook the concrete before it reaches the top. All concrete pours move to midnight, with ice chips mixed in.
November 2007, the concrete reaches a world record pumping height of 601 meters.
606 meters, the world record, and the second half goes higher.
200 bars of pressure, 26 tons of concrete hanging after every piston stroke. A chemical admixture keeps the concrete workable for 3 full hours. 2008, 130 floors complete, now the tallest freestanding structure on Earth. $550 million deep, and the concrete work is not even finished yet.
Think of it like sucking a milkshake through a straw 2 Eiffel Towers tall. Pressure hits 200 bars.
If it sets, the line blocks.
The line is full.
Concrete starts setting.
40 minutes to failure.
A new concrete mix with 10mm aggregate drops the pressure. 155 floors of reinforced concrete, and the structure is not finished yet.
7 double-story mechanical floors house all systems. 100 kilometers of water pipe run inside this tower.
No fuel stations at 700 meters. Diesel for the cranes comes by crane.
57 elevators, 3 sky lobbies, and a 504-meter service lift. 2008, the global financial crisis freezes Dubai. Projects die everywhere.
26,000 glass panels, each hand cut, and the budget is halfway gone. Abu Dhabi lends billions. The tower survives and earns a new name.
300 specialists from China installed up to 175 glass panels every day.
512 meters, the world record for the highest glass facade installation.
September 2009, the last of 26,000 glass panels seals the exterior.
At the top, the air is 6 degrees cooler than at the desert base.
4,000 tons of steel spire, assembled inside and jacked upward by hydraulics. Think of it like raising a telescope.
Hydraulic jacks push the 200-meter spire out of the building's core.
17 January 2009, the spire locks at 829.8 meters. Topped out.
The top 4 floors house communications equipment inside the steel spire.
3 cranes are now trapped above 700 meters with no way down.
1 crane climbs down to floor 99 and becomes the recovery crane. A 35-person crew runs the operation, dismantling from 700 meters down.
All 3 cranes removed. The tower stands clean for the first time. $600 million. Or for your dollars alone.
900 apartments sold out in 8 hours. The Armani Hotel fills 15 floors.
4 January 2010, the world's tallest building opens with 10,000 fireworks.
Renamed Burj Khalifa for the leader whose billions kept it alive. 24,348 windows. 36 workers need 4 months to clean them all. 946,000 liters of water flow through the building every single day. Above Tier 109, no human cradle can reach. Machines clean the spire alone.
An $8 million robotic system from Melbourne cleans what humans cannot.
Floor 122 holds the world's highest restaurant, 442 meters above the desert.
6 years, 12,000 workers, $1.5 billion, 829 meters above the sand.
829 meters of concrete, steel, and glass, standing where only sand existed.
They built upward because the desert gave them no other direction to go. Next, a structure that was built downward, into the earth itself.
1 tower, 1 desert, and the tallest thing the human race has ever built.